What? What? What?
At 9:40 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located over Strausstown, or 9 miles south of
What? What?
Wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Source.
What just happened? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 5 and 11. Locations in Pasco include Reading, Wyomissing.
What the fuck? What happened? Snow squall. What the fuck? You toned it wrong. Bro, what the fuck? What? Turn the lights on for this shit. What? You went off. Good. Oh my. What the fuck? What? You went off. You went off. You, and holy crap. I'm gonna fix your antennas now. Jesus Christ.
Slow down and be prepared for sudden loss of traction.
Oh my. Jump. Holy shit.
Here is the regional weather forecast. For the Philadelphia metropolitan area, today, partly sunny this morning, then clearing. Much colder with highs around 30. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusts up to 30 miles. Northwest winds 10 to 20.
What just happened? Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, what the hell? Y'all toned it wrong. What the fuck? I heard the 100s advisory tone. I'm like, what is that? And then it pops up on here. Severe weather statement. I'm like, huh? Goes off on here. These guys start to go off. Oh my god. I was playing a wrestling game. I don't even care at this point. Jesus Christ.